pagbago niya. Mas nag-enjoy po siya dito sa loob. Parang ayaw na nga niya umalis kasi mawawalan po siya ng bagong pamilya.
Sumunod na nagsabit si JK.
I think this housemate really deserves to get this star. Kasi this housemate is just an amazing person, and I think this housemate deserves this star. Yeah.
Skill-wise, his physical naman ho, magaling po siya. Skillful person. Personality-wise, he's a very kind person. Wala kang masasabing masama sa kanya.
Nang tiyaki ng tinawag,
I feel that this experience is going to be amazing for that housemate. So my housemate is Jimmy.
Kung magpapatuloy po siya at nakakuha ng isang lucky star, I hope it will be good for her because she has improved a lot from the start po. Dahil sobrang gusto niya pong mapag-isa. Ngayon po, mas kaya niya na pong maging open. And she's strong, kuya. She's strong. And I know she's only getting stronger every time.
at huling pumili si Elise.
Napili ko po yung housemate na to kasi any task given to this person, bibigay niya po yung 110% po niya. I give this star po for Jimmy.
Kasi po sa ugali po, kuya, mabait po siyang tao. Tsaka, she has initiative po, kuya.
Good luck! Good luck!
But when you told the housemates to give the stars, I stopped doubting myself then because I saw that 3 of my housemates believed in me and they wanted me to win.
Jury, ikaw ang makakakuha ng 7-minute time advantage.
Hindi naman po ako nalungkot na wala akong nakuha star, kuya, kasi yun po yung boto ng mga kasamahan ko at tinuturing ko po silang kaibigan at pamilya, kaya wala po sa akin yung kuya. Grabe ko nga po, kahit hindi ako mabigyan ng star, ang nasa isip ko po, hindi po ako magpapatalo talaga at papatunayan ko nga po na deserving po akong manalo din naman.
Maya-maya ay nagsimula na ang big jump task.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
Sino nga ba ang saswertihin at sino ang mamalasin sa big jump task ni Kuya? Susunod sa PBB, luck. Ilang sandali pa nagsimula na ang unang bahagi ng Big Jump Challenge ni Hideo at Nico.
Go!
Habang nakatayo po ako doon, iniisip ko yung anak ko. Gusto ko pong manalo. Kasi nangako ako sa anak ko, sabi ko sa kanya, mananalo po ako dito.
Ngayon nga lang,
Yeah, for the first part, we can switch hands.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Careful.
Ay, careful. Kinabahan ako ng hili, ha?
Kaya?
Papalit ka ba? Nire-reserve ko yung rice ko para mamaya.
Matapos ang 7 minuto, nagsimula na rin ang nakakuha ng Lucky Star Medal na si Jinri.
I was really scared because they're both guys and I felt like they were a lot stronger than me. Seeing Hideo, like, he's really a fitness junkie and he's super fit, so he'd probably win this challenge. And Nico as well, because I know he's a guy and he's very, very, like, motivated and very, like, centered and strong.
ilang sandali pa, ang dalawang nauna mukhang unti-unti nang nakakaramdam ng pangangalay.
Para naman po talaga sa kanya yun. Kasi more on mas malakas siya sa stamina. Kasi nga po nag-gym siya. Para sa akin, mas mahina yung pangangatawan ko. Siguro kuya, kung ako yung gumawa, siguro ako yung pinakaunang bibigay.
He was great. Nico was great as well. I could see he was tired out. But I thought that they both were very brave.
I told myself I will never ever give up. Not just for me, but for those housemates who voted for me. I kept looking at them. I don't want their votes to go useless.
Ang ibang mga kasama todo suporta sa tatlo.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause everything gonna be alright.
Napakagaling dahil parang sobrang tagal nilang nanginginig doon. Si Jenny mas may composure pa eh.
Malaking gantimpala.
May malaking reward. There's a reward for you guys.
Malaking gantimpala na yung star. Diba? Malaking gantimpala na pag nakuha mo yung star. Sobra.
Oo.
Matapos ang isang oras, nag-level up na ang hamon ni Kuya.
Para sa level up ng inyong challenge, 2 kamay na ang ihahawak ninyo sa inyong lobo.
Super hard. The second one was really just horrible. You have to keep both arms. You can't rest anything.
Nakikita ko sa kanya talaga na gustong-gusto niya talaga maging big winner.
Kailangan ko i-motivate sarili ko. Inisip ko po yung mga pagdaan ko sa buhay na ayoko nang balikan. Pampaano lang po kuya, pampatiway lang ng loob.
Pagkalipas ng ilang sandali,
I got tired. My shoulders was sore and my back was painful, and then so I decided to pop.
Oh my God.
Nagulat po ako na si Hideo po ang unang bumitaw. Akala ko nga po parang mas lamang siya dahil siya po yung pinaka-muscular.
I don't know, I felt good actually, to be honest, after I popped the balloon. No regrets. I felt good.
When Hideo's balloon popped, that was like a wake-up call for me. I was like, you know what, even though I might be a girl and I might be not as strong as them, I felt like this was a mental game more than a physical.
Natuwa po ako lalo nung pumutok yung kay Hideo kuya. Sobrang saya ko kasi inisip ko. Nabawasan nga po yung mga kalaban ko at sabi ko si Jinri na lang, si Jinri. Konti pa, tiis pa.
halos 2 oras na ang lumilipas at kung si Jinri nananatiling kalmado, nagiging emosyonal na si Nico.
Anak ko, iniisip ko, naglalakad sa harap ko. Doon na po ako nag-start na maiyak. Na iniisip ko nga po, nanonood sila sa akin.
Maya-maya,
Nico at Jinri, sa puntong ito, bawal nang gumalaw-galaw.
My arms were numb already, so I didn't really care about how it hurt. I had to keep strong mentally more than physically.
Sabi ko,
Please, please let go. Oh my God.
Iniisip ko kuya yung balloon pag pumutok. Mawawala yung pangarap ko.
Arms straight.